Hey YouTube, it's the Everyday Guy, and this is my E.D.C truck carry. There's just a few things I keep deep down in my middle console. I got a pair of needle nose vice grips. Those go in the driver's side door of my truck. I keep this bad boy. It's got pliers, adjustable, quick little pencil, bundled up zip ties, a little cheap Rayovac flashlight, utility knife. As you can tell, it's been well used. Inside, we got a little portable can of WD-40. Always comes in handy, always great to have with you. Big old permanent marker. Little multi-screwdriver thing. It's got a bunch of different sizes in it. A little cheap, like $5 little screwdriver. Another little pair of vice grips, a little pry bar, mini bic, and then this right here, this is about 20 feet or so with duct tape wrapped around a hotel key card. In the top half of my console, I keep another flashlight. Keep just the cheap multi-tool. Does the trick. I normally have a multi-tool on my person. I always have a Leatherman on me, so this is just sort of a backup. Always quick to have. Sometimes and then I keep a pocket knife. It's just a cheap Tonto style blade. It's got a seatbelt cutter and a glass breaker. It's part of the reason why I keep it in the truck. But that's pretty much it. Under my back seat I got my hitches and ratchet straps and all that jazz. But I keep this stuff all nice and tidy in that little kit in my console. It's just a quick little repair kit. Take care of quick little jobs. You never know whether it's on my truck or helping a friend out or just being that guy that helps those people on the side of the road, because we've all been there, and it's all nice to have, you know, the tools to be able to help people in need. So yeah, that's my E.D.C truck kit. Please like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think. This is the Everyday Guy, and I'm out.